Today, I'm feeling really bored.
Ayu, she'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves you too. Yay!
Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? Today, I'm feeling really bored.
Oh no!
I really don't know what to do. I played with all the toys that I have and I want to do something fun and something unique. What should I do? I have an idea! Something unique! Outdoor in my garden. Let's see what it is. My idea for today's fun. These ones, I'm going to touch them and I'm going to feel them, I'm going to play with them.
Yippee!
And I really recommend to do that at
Amazing!
home when you feel bored or when you're tired of your toys, because this is so much fun. Oh, look what I have in here. Cornflakes, some flour, some spaghetti, and some rice. Okay, I'll start with the flour. Snowing with flour. Cornflakes. Oh, wow. Wow, the sound of it. I love it. These are crunchy.
Amazing!
It's snowing with cornflakes. Oh, look at that!
Not again.
Oh, wow, and it's a bit windy. That makes it so much fun. Toys are not everything. There are so many cool ideas that you can use to create or to just embrace and have fun with them. Spaghetti time. Ooh.
Amazing!
Sticky, jelly-like. Snowing with spaghetti. Wow. Oh, this is different. So grainy. Oh, look at that. Wow. It's snowing with rice. Oh, and we have music as well. Can you hear that? Oh my goodness, what's in here? Each time after we have a really good time, each time when we play with something, after we have to tidy up.
Not again.
And if we can't do that by ourselves, if it's too difficult, because I think it's a bit difficult now, because what a mess. I'm going to ask my parents to help me. Yes, and now tidy up time.
And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful.